5 tips for buying a new HVAC unit. 1. Size. You need the right size HVAC unit for your home. Too large an HVAC system consumes more energy, and too small will run too often and not cool your home properly. 2. Efficiency. Today's air-conditioned systems are more energy efficient, which can decrease utility bills all year round. 3. Cost. Pricing AC replacement can vary, and so does quality. Don't just buy the lowest priced system in Fort Myers, these models may be less efficient. 4. Programmable. These thermostats can be set to specific temperatures and times, allowing you to set it and forget it. 5. Maintenance. Someday your HVAC system will need routine maintenance. Consider an annual maintenance plan with a reliable HVAC company in Florida. To learn more, contact Ellsworth Heating and Cooling in Fort Myers, Florida at www.ellsworthair.com or call 1-866-281-5199.